thunderstorms likely during the afternoon.
Marine warning.
This is a special marine warning. The National Weather Service can
Here goes the index.
This is a special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Fernandina Beach to 15 p.m. 15 nautical miles west of Jacksonville Beach to 12 nautical miles west of Crescent Beach, moving east at 20 knots. South Palm Beach, Palm Valley, 9-mile reef, St. Augustine, Jacksonville Beach, Crescent Beach, St. George's Island Beach, Marine, St. George's Reef, Guana River State Park, and Palm Coast. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: waters from Fernandina Beach to Flagler Beach, out 60 nautical miles. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following marine locations: waters from Fernandina Beach to Flagler Beach, out 60 nautical miles. West winds 10 to 15 miles per hour. Chance of rain 60%. Tonight, mostly cloudy during the evening. This is a severe thunderstorm warning.
There goes the index! Again!
Issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Duval County and northeastern Florida until 3:30 p.m.
Oh, good!
At 2:59 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ortega or near Jacksonville, moving east at 50 miles per hour.
We were in Duval like a few hours ago.
Severe thunderstorm warning source for Duval County and northeastern
He's on the radio.
damage to roofs. Sighting at 3:59 p.m. Location of the thunderstorm was located over Ortega.
It's on the radio.
Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roads, injuries. Locations impacted include Jacksonville, Arlington, Jacksonville, Bay Meadows, Ortega, Normandy, San Marco, Riverside, and Talleyrand. For your personnel move to an interior landing. Repeating,
A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county: Duval, Florida. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following county: Duval, Florida. 162.55 megahertz. Broadcasts originate from the National Weather Service office in Jacksonville.
I actually almost knew this was going to happen. Now there's an airport weather warning.
Miles west of St. Simon's Island, moving southeast at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots.
That's Jacksonville, and that's for Jacksonville Airport.
Small craft could be damaged and briefly
I
higher
think.
winds and suddenly higher waves.
Yep, and Jacksonville International Airport. Okay. I actually bet that this is gonna come down, and then they'll have to expand the marine warning. Alright, so I think they're actually going to maybe issue an expansion for this one, because these thunderstorms are gonna go out, and they'll probably issue an expansion for this one because looks like they're probably going down, and they may have to issue another expansion. Well, not. What in the world? What in the world? Tallahassee. That's huge. Well, you do what you got. You just have to do what you got to do. But yeah, they have to they may have to expand both of these because this one's gonna probably go down or maybe go this way. or it could also go down. And this one may have to have an expansion because this one's going that way. So yeah, we'll just see.
Baker County in northeastern Florida, northeastern Columbia County, Hamilton County, Echols County in southeastern Georgia, southeastern Montgomery in southeastern Georgia. This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued until 4:15 p.m. At 3:22 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along the line.
Oh!
And continuous cloud to ground.
That's this one.
Until 4:15 p.m. Expect at 3:22 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located include Jasper, Fargo, Stephen Foster State Park, State Penville, Needmore, and Belmont. Remain alert for a possible tornado.
Oh, gosh.
Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a
Want to see something cool?
once into the basement to a small central room in a sturdy structure. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately possible tornadoes
Cool, huh?
interior room on the lowest floor of a building. These storms may cause serious injury and significant property damage. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Florida, Baker, Columbia, and Hamilton, and the following counties in Georgia, Charlton, Clinch, Echols, and Ware. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. for the following counties in Florida, Baker, Columbia, and Hamilton, and the following counties in Georgia, Charlton, Clinch, Echols, and Ware.
Tornado possible. Okay. Actually, I think they will issue another marine warning. Oh, there's another significant weather advisory for Swanee and Hamilton. But yeah, they will issue another one. See, this is a severe thunderstorm warning. If that severe thunderstorm warning goes out there, they'll have to issue like an expansion, I guess. Because look how it's going this way. Or maybe it's this one, but who knows. So we'll just see. I think this is rotation. See? This might be rotation. So, I don't know if they will issue a tornado warning, but who knows? So, let's just see. I don't think they will, but let's just see. Called it! Called it! Called it! Called it! Called it! Called it! Yes! Called it!
Georgia to Fernandina Beach, Florida from
Yes!
20 to 60 nautical miles. Waters from Fernandina Beach to St. Augustine, Florida from 20 to 60 nautical miles. The National Weather Service.
Yes, guys! They issued it. They issued the expansion.
50 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Buoy HLHA, High Point, Mayport, Nassau Sound Approach Buoy 6A, Anna Reef, Amelia City, Buoy CDH, Talbot Island, Buoy KBY, St. John's Lighted Buoy, Dungeness, St. Mary's Entrance Buoy 16, Cumberland Island, and Whitaker Snapper Hole Reef. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following marine locations. Waters from Altamaha Sound to St. Augustine out 60 nautical miles.
Oh, yes. They did it.
Gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following marine locations. Waters from Altamaha Sound to St. Augustine out 60 nautical miles.
Wow. They actually did it, guys.
Southwest at 13, gusting to 20.
They actually did it for this one. For this whole line of thunderstorms. Wow. Speed this one.
This is a severe thunderstorm warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
Oh, this is Nassau.
Northeastern Union County, Northern Columbia County, Southeastern Hamilton County, Southwestern Canton County in Southeastern Georgia, Southeastern Nichols County in Southeastern Georgia, Southeastern Warren County in Southeastern Georgia, Southeastern Clinch County in Southeastern Georgia, Charleston County in Southeastern Georgia until 5 p.m. At 4:10 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 8 miles northwest of Stephen Foster State Park to near White Springs. Moving southeastern Georgia, southeastern Warren County, southeastern Georgia. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Hilliard, Folkestone, White Springs, Fargo, Rayford, Stephen Foster State Park, Taylor, McClenny, Homeland, and Glen St. Mary. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. For your protection, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Baker, Columbia, Hamilton, Nassau, and Union, and the following counties in Georgia: Camden, Charlton, Clinch, Eccles, and Ware. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in Florida: Baker, Columbia, Hamilton, Nassau, and Union, and the following counties in Georgia: Camden, Charlton, Clinch, Eccles, and Ware. Miles until
I haven't gotten an alert in a while. Well, not like a while, like a long time, like tomorrow or something. Like it hasn't, nothing's been issued for a while. So yeah.
This is a special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Altamaha down to Fernandina Beach, Florida, about 20 nautical miles. Waters from Altamaha down Georgia to Fernandina Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:30 p.m. This is a special marine warning. The National Weather Service in Jacksonville has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Altamaha Sound to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Altamaha Sound, Georgia to Fernandina Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 6:30 p.m. At 5:26 p.m., a strong thunderstorm was located over St. Simon's Island Village, or over St. Simon's Island, moving east at 20 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include St. Simon's Island Village, Buoy HLHA, St. Simon's Island, St. Andrew Sound, Buoy F, St. Simon's Sound, Buoy 9, and Jekyll Island. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Repeating, a special marine warning has been issued until 6:30 p.m. for the following marine locations: coastal waters from Altamaha Sound to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles, and waters from Altamaha Sound, Georgia to Fernandina Beach, Florida, out 20 to 60 nautical miles.